Hey there, this is Steve with Keystone, Alpine, and Avalanche Division. Today we're here to introduce you to the brand new Summit package available on all 2025 Alpines. Super excited, can't wait to show you. Included in the Summit package, you'll have 17.5-inch rims with H-rated Cooper tires. Their higher weight capacity and speed rating will give confidence to Alpine owners as they go down the road. 8,000-pound axles with ABS will provide a more secure towing and stopping experience in even the most extreme conditions. Bluetooth keyless entry door. No more fumbling around looking for your keys. Simply enter your self-generated password or even use your smartphone to unlock your door. Furrion rear and side cameras with 7-inch display. These cameras will give Alpine owners the confidence to see all around their Alpine as they roll down the highway or park in that tricky spot at their favorite campsite. Slide toppers. No more climbing up on the roof to clean off the slides before packing up and heading for home. Upgraded leather furniture. These power recliners are actual rawhide leather. No more flaking and peeling like the competition. Electric gate valves. No pulling on the little T-handles to empty your tanks anymore. Simple, easy to use, and located right in your convenience center. Lippert Touring Suspension Chassis. This state-of-the-art suspension system reduces shock absorption into the frame of the Alpine by 50%, providing a much smoother and safer ride. Tire pressure monitoring system. This will allow the Alpine owners to monitor the pressure and the temperature of the tires from the cab of their tow vehicle, providing peace of mind on those long journeys. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the Summit package. For more information, be sure to hit us up on KeystoneRV.com/Alpine.